In this video, I'm going to show you how to get many sales orders using Zoho CRM in N8N step by step. If you're building automations and want to pull multiple sales orders into your workflow quickly, this is a simple process that can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N automation guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This can be an existing automation or a new workflow you've created for your Zoho CRM integration. Once your workflow is open, you're ready to add the node that will retrieve the sales orders. Now go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add different apps and actions into your workflow. In the Nodes panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it. Once you select Zoho CRM, N8N will show you the available actions you can use with that integration. From the available options, choose Get Many Sales Order. This is the action that lets you fetch multiple sales orders from your Zoho CRM account instead of just one. It's useful when you want to work with a list of orders, sync records, or pass sales order data into the next step of your automation. After that, configure what you want. This is where you set up the details for the data you want to retrieve. Depending on your workflow, you can adjust the parameters so N8N pulls the exact sales orders you need. Make sure your configuration matches the goal of your automation, whether that's getting recent records, filtering specific orders, or preparing data for another node in the flow. Once everything is configured, save your node and test it to make sure the sales orders are coming through correctly. If the data looks right, your workflow is ready to use. And that's it. You now know how to get many sales orders using Zoho CRM in N8N. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.